Hey guys, are you want to buy best car polishing machines for a shine finish? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car polishing machines for a shine finish that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at DeWalt Buffer Polisher. This tool is thoughtfully designed for both comfort and performance. The rubber overmolded gear case and back handle ensure a firm, comfortable grip during extended use. With a variable speed trigger and a large speed dial, users can easily adjust the speed for precise control across different tasks. The replaceable wool ingestion shields help prevent blockages and extend tool life. Safety is also prioritized with a no-volt release switch that requires a reset before power is delivered, eliminating accidental startups. The large spindle lock button allows for quick and easy backing pad changes, while pop-off brushes protect the motor by preventing armature damage, ultimately increasing durability. Overall, it's a smart, user-friendly design ideal for professionals needing consistent performance and reliability. Now our second product is Vervewave Cordless Buffer Polisher. The Vervewave Cordless Buffer Polisher is a smart pick for DeWalt 20V Max users, offering seamless compatibility with a range of DeWalt batteries, battery not included. Its upgraded brushless motor delivers impressive power, reduced noise, and longer life, especially when paired with DeWalt batteries. With 6 variable speeds ranging from 1800 to 5500 RPM, it handles tasks from light waxing to heavy-duty defect removal with ease. The ergonomic extended handle and soft rubber grip enhance control, while the lock switch ensures safety by preventing accidental starts. Its eccentric polishing design provides a swirl-free finish, ideal for even detailing. The complete kit includes everything from sandpapers to polishing and waxing pads, making it ready to go out of the box. Perfect for pros and DIYers alike looking for performance, versatility, and convenience. Our third product is LotaTools Car Detailing and Polisher. This cordless random orbital polisher is a versatile and efficient tool, compatible with DeWalt 18V and 21V batteries, battery not included. It features 6 adjustable speed settings, allowing precise control for everything from delicate waxing to intense paint correction. Beyond vehicles, it's perfect for polishing furniture, cleaning surfaces, floors, marble, and even metal, making it a reliable multi-purpose solution for home or garage use. The advanced centrifugal disc technology boosts efficiency while reducing work time. Its cordless design adds convenience and mobility, ideal for detailing enthusiasts and professionals alike. The complete kit includes microfiber covers, foam and wool pads, a towel, gloves, and more, everything you need for high-quality results. With this polisher, achieving a flawless finish across various materials is easy and hassle-free. Now number 4, Devtblun Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The Devtblun Cordless Buffer Polisher is a powerful, portable solution for car care, compatible with DeWalt 18V/20V lithium-ion batteries, battery not included. Its upgraded brushless motor delivers up to 5500 RPM for efficient, swirl-free polishing, thanks to its 6-inch throw and off-axis eccentric design. With 6 adjustable speed settings, 2800 to 5500 RPM, it handles everything from gentle waxing to removing paint defects and oxidation. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's lightweight and ergonomically designed, ideal for beginners and even users with arthritis. The hook and loop pad system allows quick pad changes, and it comes with a complete kit: sandpapers, waffle and flat sponge pads, wool pads, and polishing bonnets. Whether detailing your car or working without an outlet, this cordless buffer offers convenience and pro-level performance. Backed by a 12-month warranty, it's a great addition to any garage. And our last choice is L1NXIXI Cordless Buffer Polisher. This cordless buffer polisher is a versatile, high-performance tool compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, battery not included, offering great convenience for existing DeWalt users. With 8 variable speeds ranging from 750 to 6800 RPM, It handles everything from delicate waxing to aggressive oxidation and defect removal. Its lightweight 2.3 pounds body and ergonomic rubber handle ensure comfortable control, even during long sessions, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Designed for more than just car detailing, it also works on floors, tiles, marble, and metal surfaces, making it a true multitasker. The complete kit includes sponge pads, wool pads, bonnets, sandpapers, a carry bag, gloves, apron, and more, everything needed for precision results right out of the box. Whether for auto care or home polishing, this buffer offers impressive power, portability, and value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.